let's get straight to the point as to why you are here at this channel. For many of you, you have discovered that creating an online career is the way to go over a 9-to-5 job, right? Agree? Because we've learned that when it comes to 9-to-5 jobs with mom and pop shops, the security of having a job is long gone, unfortunately. What makes this channel unique? As a child and youth worker who has been specializing with youth and adults with learning disabilities, and also working with individuals where computers is not their forte. There are some individuals that don't even know how to copy and paste or refresh a page. I am thrilled to say that here on this page, on this channel, you are going to be taken step by step, no missing steps, in creating a website from scratch, creating an online course in an area that you specialize in. And if you're wondering what area could I offer the world, I can help you with that. You are also going to learn how I gathered up about 1,500 students all within a few months. I'm also going to be teaching you how to get this course on your website and start earning a profit even before it's on your website. And one of the most exciting parts is that I've opened up a video agency where not only do I take over 2,000 templates that are being currently used by some major worldwide known named companies. Example, Pepsi-Cola, Sony. Many times I look at TV, I see a commercial and I'm like, they're using one of my templates. I will help you every step of the way to create your own professional scroll-stopping videos in less than 3 minutes. You'll be able to use these as your own advertisements, to insert them within your own videos, which I'll also teach you how to create. And you can also then go on to help advertise for other companies out there. The online world is the place to go. It's the place to be. It is a multi-billion-dollar industry. I don't know about you, but I'm tapping into that multi-billion-dollar industry. Why am I qualified? I am known as the elite few of women, 20%, only 20% of women who are considered the highly technical individuals. At the age of 18, I learned how to code and create games. From there, I've continued in my coding, HTML, Java. I'm able to put websites together from scratch, but I'll show you how to do both ways. And these are not ordinary websites. These are animated websites. Sees quite a few viewers in the run of a month, and the average time that they spend on my website is over an hour. True. I want to give you the option. For some of you that are watching this channel with a learning disability, you may have some major memory issues, and you may be thinking college and university, unfortunately, is not a choice for you. And you may see yourself only relying on a minimum wage job, unable to dream bigger, unable to even think of financial independence being part of your future. I am going to show you how you can become financially independent. You're in really good hands, and I'm going to prove it to you. What you may not notice about this channel was doing very good with views before I started to cycle through a lot of the videos that had some amazing view count and make the hard choice, the decision to delete a lot of the videos because they did not pertain to the mission of this channel. So basically, I've had to start this channel over from scratch. But I want to ensure that you, as a subscriber, as a viewer, as someone who will press like on the videos, and hopefully even comment to encourage me, that whatever I post here, you will want to look at, for it will have a great deal to do with your future success. there is some really big money to be earned online, as you're probably already aware of. And one final note, there have been some areas through the years that even I had to rely on other videos to teach me, even from some of the great channel creators here. But for many of the lessons, they skipped steps. Sometimes I've had to wait months, and in one instant, 2 years before I figured out the missing puzzle pieces. So as the channel says, or there, avoid the learning curve. So make sure to subscribe. I won't disappoint you, but at least by subscribing, you'll be ensured of getting every single video that I put out. I say that I upload weekly, but in the first few months, it's probably going to be 4 times a week because there's so much I want to get out to you. At least then, when you receive the videos in your notifications, you make the choice whether you want to watch that video or not. But at least you won't be missing the content that will be crucial for your future success and financial independence. Let me help you. You won't be disappointed. Until then, blessings.